Looking to create stunning graphics on your mobile device? Canva's app is a powerful, user-friendly tool that makes graphic design accessible to everyone. Let's dive into how you can start designing with Canva. Download and install Canva. Go to the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android, and search for Canva. Install the app and open it once downloaded. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Canva account, log in with your credentials. If not, sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Explore templates. On the home screen, browse through the wide array of templates categorized by type, such as social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. Select a template that fits your project or start from scratch by choosing a custom size. Customize your design. Tap on any element within the template to edit it. You can change text, fonts, colors, and more. To add new elements like photos, icons, or text, use the bottom menu to access Canva's vast library of design assets. Use the editing tools. Canva offers various tools to enhance your design, such as filters for images, text effects, and alignment tools. Drag and drop elements to reposition them, and pinch to resize or rotate. Save and share. Once you're satisfied with your design, tap the download icon in the top right corner. Choose your preferred format, PNG, JPG, PDF, and save it to your device. You can also share it directly to social media or email it from within the app. That's it. You've created a stunning design using Canva on your mobile device. Don't forget to explore more features and templates to keep your designs fresh and engaging. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.